Introducing the Nothing Phone 3, a true masterpiece in modern smartphone design and innovation. As the third major flagship from Nothing, this device raises the bar in every way possible. With a perfect balance of aesthetics, raw performance, and user-focused innovation, the Nothing Phone 3 isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a statement. For those who crave bold design, premium features, and cutting-edge software, this smartphone might just be your perfect match. Starting with the display, the Nothing Phone 3 boasts a stunning 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED panel that redefines visual clarity and responsiveness. The display supports a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering fluid motion whether you're scrolling through apps, playing high FPS games, or watching content. With a peak brightness of a jaw-dropping 3000 nits, this screen remains perfectly visible even under direct sunlight. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the visuals remain vibrant, sharp, and extremely immersive. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, both built on ultra-efficient architectures. These chipsets promise flagship-level performance with blazing fast app launches, console-grade gaming capabilities, and AI-boosted responsiveness. Paired with generous RAM options and fast storage, the device ensures buttery-smooth multitasking and seamless user experience, no matter how demanding the task. Photography lovers will appreciate the triple camera setup on the Nothing Phone 3. Leading the pack is a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, engineered to capture sharp, noise-free images even in low light conditions. Supporting lenses complete the trio, offering wide-angle versatility and enhanced portrait depth. On the front, a high-resolution 32MP selfie camera takes care of your video calls and social media content, ensuring that every selfie is crisp, colorful, and true to life. Battery life is another strong point, with a 5000 mAh cell providing all-day endurance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go. The Phone 3 supports 50W fast wired charging and 20W wireless charging, so you can quickly top up your device without long wait times. Wireless charging adds a layer of convenience, and for those always on the move, fast wired options get you back in action in no time. Design has always been a signature of Nothing, and the Phone 3 is no exception. The transparent back returns, now enhanced with a new textured finish that improves grip and adds a fresh aesthetic appeal. One of the standout features this time is the inclusion of braille-like markings near ports and key hardware zones, an innovative addition for improved accessibility. It's a small yet meaningful touch that emphasizes the brand's commitment to inclusive design. On the software front, the device runs on Nothing OS 3.0, a clean, bloat-free interface built over Android 15. The UI is light, minimalistic, and refreshingly fast. New AI-powered features improve everyday functionality, from smarter notifications to predictive app usage. Whether you're organizing your home screen or using gesture-based shortcuts, the software experience feels polished, personal, and powerfully efficient. And that's not all. The Nothing Phone 3 comes fully equipped with dual stereo speakers for immersive audio, Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless connectivity, and Wi-Fi 6 support for blazing fast internet speeds. Naturally, it also includes 5G support, ensuring ultra-fast data wherever coverage is available. There's NFC for contactless payments, and a reliable in-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking. Every feature feels thoughtfully integrated to enhance your day-to-day usage. In conclusion, the Nothing Phone 3 is more than just an upgrade, it's a complete rethink of what a flagship should be in 2025. With its sleek design, powerful internals, innovative camera system, and smart software, it checks every box for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. If you're someone who values both style and substance, the Nothing Phone 3 should absolutely be on your radar. This isn't just a phone, it's a vision of the future, wrapped in glass, metal, and innovation.